Hello again, this is our new bathroom remodel, and I wanted to showcase one of my favorite components that we have in here, and that is the Delta 52158. Now this is what they call the Champagne Bronze, so it's a CZ25 unit, universal showering, 11 and 3/4 inches round, so almost a full foot in diameter. It's a big unit, and it produces 2.5 gallons per minute. Now, that's a lot of water, and I didn't realize how much water that really was, and I was highly concerned before we actually got this installed and in operation that it would provide enough water for me in the shower. You know, a lot of times when you're in a shower with a rain head, it just doesn't make sense to use it because the water pressure is so bad that I've ever experienced from these. It's just, I can't ever enjoy it. So I really got this, to be honest. I got this in hopes that it would work, but more as a decorative unit. I have not changed anything on the inside of these. I have not removed the water conservation valve in it or the special filter that's inside to limit the flow of water. I've left it strictly as is. And really, when you're using a rain shower or something this big, you should as well, because otherwise, you know, the amount of water that's coming out of there, it can drain your water heater if you've got a traditional tank very, very quickly. So something just to consider. I want to just show you how this works. Now we've got this really unique Delta water faucet here. It's a 6-in-1. Really like that. And if you want more information, you can see the details in the comments what this is. I was just demonstrating it, so it's a little wet, but this is the diverter is right here, so you can control the diverter. I've got it set for this handheld Brizo faucet shower head right there. So that's where this is. If I go down one, it actually mixes the shower head and the handheld. So we're going to move it right now to this position. It's this one down the bottom right that will just operate the shower head, the rain head. So this is your temperature control valve. It is thermostatic, and then your water control valve here. So let's turn this on. You're gonna see how much water is actually coming out of this thing. It's really a fun little toy that we've got. That is a lot of water, guys. Going right into our drain. If I put my hand under it, you can see it's more than enough for me to take a shower and to get completely clean. And when I add it to the Delta shower head I have here, it's one of the nicest experiences I've ever had in the shower. I am so pleased with how this turned out, and I'm gonna turn it off now. Switch it back to that handheld so that next time we turn it on, it doesn't splash us as we're doing that. But very pleased with this unit. I did pay a little less than retail for it. I did find it on eBay, and sometimes that's a good opportunity to save a little bit of money if you find something on eBay. It came through fantastic. It does just come with the shower head, so I had to buy that arm in the same color. It does include the flange at the top, but very, very highly recommended. The only thing about this, because there's so much water going through there, you can see it's still dripping. It takes a long time for this to stop dripping. And if I can reach it here, you can see typically what I'll do is I'll reach down and tilt it, and the water drains a little bit quicker. Otherwise, you'll just have a wet shower floor for a little while. But hope you enjoyed the video. It's definitely a unit that I recommend. Fantastic water flow, and it gives good pressure as I'm standing underneath it. Allows me to rinse my hair without any issues and the rest of my body. Sometimes I like to turn on that other shower head just because it gives you so much more water, and you feel like, I can't even really explain it. It's been one of the greatest shower experiences I've ever had. So very, very thankful that we had this. Just for the record, all of this work, everything was done by a fantastic guy in Austin. His name's Brad Persons. This is Bradpersonsremodeling that did all of our bathroom. Very, very happy with it. He is his attention to detail is unlike anybody I've ever seen. I'm very thanks for all your help, Brad, for everything that you did for us. And if you got any questions, leave some comments and we'll do our best to answer them. Wishing you the best and have a great day.